So if after 1 hour, 68% of the battery is left over. Okay, so this means then 100% minus 68% will be how much of the battery was used. Okay, so that's going to equal to 32%. Okay, so that means, right, the computer that Dan uses 32% of the computer's battery, right, per 1 hour. Okay, so if I were to instead convert this into minutes, okay, that's 32% used, right, per 60 minutes. Okay, and if I divide 32 and 60, I end up getting 8 over 15%, right? This is how much battery is used per minute. Okay, so then how long, or what do I have to multiply to this, right? It's 8 over 15%. Like, what do I have to multiply to this so that, right, we end up getting 100% of the battery used? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to multiply 187.5. Okay, so if we do that, we end up getting 100% of the battery used, and this is after 187.5 minutes.